Welcome to How to Solve. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit videos on iMovie. But first, go to your app store and search for iMovie. Make sure that you are running the latest version of the app to maximize its features, and update if you have to. Now, going back with the app, iMovie is a popular video editing software for Apple devices, and it's a great tool for creating stunning movies and videos. So if you are just getting started on uploading and editing videos for your TikTok content, Reels, or even for YouTube videos, iMovie is perfect for you. In this video, we will cover the basic features of iMovie and how it can help to create stunning videos for you. So make sure not to skip the video so you won't miss any tips. On your home screen, swipe down to search for the app, and then search for iMovie. Open the app, and on this page, you will see 3 options to start a new project. First is the Magic Movie. Then we have here the storyboard, and then lastly is the movie. Let's first try the Magic Movie, and I'm gonna show you how to use this feature. So first, you have to choose photos or videos from your albums. And then I suggest that you have a separate album for this project, so all of the photos and videos you will be needing for this project are organized and in one album. Then once done, the Magic Movie will automatically analyze your footage and suggest a series of edits, transitions, and effects to create a cohesive video. But of course, you can also customize the theme and hear the music, and of course the text overlays to suit your preferences. You can also adjust your clips if you want to make them shorter or if you want to make them longer. You can also replace the video with another if you want to move it around and explore. And you can also choose styles and transitions. And here are the styles and fonts available. You can just check them out and explore what style will work the best. If you have a go-to font styles, you can check it out yourself. And for the background music, they have here the best music, which are all copyright free. So if you are a content creator and you are making money out of editing videos, this will be beneficial to you since you don't need to worry about copyright musics. And here is the final outcome. So when it comes to exporting, first is to click this, and the option here will pop up, and you can just choose to save the video if you are done editing and you want to post it on your social media or what. And of course, if you still want to edit your video, you can just save it as project settings and choose the resolution. And once you're done with the settings, you can tap here Save Files and tap the file name, and this will automatically save on your files, and you can edit it on your laptop or computer. So for example, here I have a video which I want to post as reels or in my TikTok account, but as you can see, it is in portrait mode. So you can work it on your computer and save it as a project for the meantime. So this feature actually reminds me of the other editing software, which is CapCut, where you already have an access to different templates and you will just add the photos or videos and it will automatically sync to the beat or music. And after all, this feature is designed for users who want to create a professional looking video quickly and easily. So imagine that you don't have to spend so much time editing footage manually. But keep in mind that the resulting video may not be as unique or personalized as one created from scratch using iMovie's manual editing tools. So next is the storyboard feature. The storyboard feature on iMovie is a visual representation of your video project. It allows you to plan out the structure of your video by creating a sequence of images or sketches that outline the different scenes or shots in your video. So it also comes with different storyboard templates, and you will just have to pick from these selections. So we have here the About Me, Celebration, Cooking, Gaming, Makeover, and many more. But in this tutorial, I will go with the wellness since my clips are just steady and chill. So to use the storyboard feature in iMovie, you first need to import your video clips or images into your project, and this will bring up a grid where you can drag and drop your clips or images into the different cells. And you can also select from your photos and albums later. So in the storyboard feature, they already have an outline of different shots, as I've said earlier, which is so helpful, especially if you are a beginner with editing. It's good that you'll have a guide from the intro to the end of the video. And of course, this feature also allows you to manually edit your project video, like rearrange your clips or images. You can also add transitions between them and adjust the duration of each clip. You can also add text overlays, sound effects, and music to your project from within the storyboard view. So here I'm just starting to add clips in every section, and then you can also choose styles like what we did earlier in Magic Movie. Change the colors of the fonts, and probably you can explore this section to choose the best style that will work for you. And using storyboard feature can be a helpful way to organize your video project and make sure that it flows smoothly from beginning to end. It also allows you to experiment with different sequencing options and make changes to your project before committing to the final edit. And here I'm just editing the text, and I'm also finalizing the edit. And you can also do a voiceover here, and I think that this is so perfect when you are making cooking videos and you just want to insert a voiceover to explain the step-by-step on the dish you are cooking. And of course, if you have here the extra scenes and shots, you can just delete them once you already added your videos. And then once done, you can just export the video like we did earlier. Again, you can just save the video if it is ready for uploading, and you can just also edit the export settings to project. Save the files and work on it again, maybe on your laptop, iPad, or computer. With its latest features, iMovie offers even more capabilities to help you bring your creative vision to life. And one of the newest features in iMovie is the ability to create and edit videos in 4K resolution, which means you can now make high-quality videos with even more detail and clarity. And overall, iMovie is an excellent choice for anyone looking to create high-quality videos quickly and easily. So whether you are a beginner or a professional, iMovie's latest features will help you create stunning videos that you'll be proud to share. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video, and if you have any more suggestions, you can just comment it on the comment section down below. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.